Hello there, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah Boyukan, and in my channel, I love to talk about life in Canada. And today, I will show you because I will take my mom today to their doctor's appointment, and I will take them to me after the appointments. I will take them to the market. In Canada, we have during summertime, we have outdoor market and indoor. So I will take them to the outdoor market and I will show them how to buy food in Canada, right? So, are you ready, Papa?
Yeah, I am ready.
And I will let them use their mask because it's very important. It's still coronavirus going around the city, but we need to wash our hand. We always have this Lysol in the car. We always disinfect our hands. So, yeah, thank you so much and enjoy, okay? So I'm with my parents and I take them to the doctor today for their own prescription medication. They are visitor visa in Canada. See that? Now I'll take them to the palenque. So today I take my mom and dad to the market because in Canada during summertime we have they call wet market, like outdoor market. So we are in the produce right now and I take my mom and dad with me so they can see how is the wet market or produce market in Canada. So that's how it is. See, that's my mom and dad. They have to work so hard here in Canada. Kahit ito papa. Oh my God, ot imo piu atat maganalong gid. You have to open all the way, Mama, the door.
I-open ko mga mini pag itong
70 years old people.
Nambak.
This is what we buy today. We buy 2 bags of grapes. Look, this is $15. 2 bags of grapes. And it's on sale. This is orange. It's $10. Oh, tomato. It's $10. And mango box is $10. I give you $1 and you have to put over here. So this is a cart. You put it here inside, down here, press and then pull. There you go. No, when after we finish our groceries, then you put it back here. I show you how later, okay? This is the second store we have to go because the store when we went is not enough, so we are coming here in the superstore to buy more food and stuff. So yeah, I'll take them to superstore again, my mom and dad. Mid mo rin amin i-disinfect mo lang mamay talim. Keep going, Papa. Okay. Here. I-disinfect. Good. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Mama, mga lain ng tarong. Just get ano. That's how the price. This is per pounds. Look at this price here. How much is The orange is $6.98 per pounds. That's a little bit money. You okay, Mama?
Yeah. There's one like.
Oh, there's the banana here, Mama. Oh yeah, can you get one, Mama, please? It's $5. The price of this one is $5.98. The banana is per pounds, Papa. $77. Here's the price, $77 per pounds. Put 2 kaputi, Papa. Then what da yung baba? Kita kami hangati. Oh, that's the ginger, Mama. $2 per pounds. Man umari to karon.
Sa bagay, hindi yan to parang ng maaw. Aring iigit ba kasi sibuyas ko nga. Aring
No, we have ano.
dahil tawadan ko.
Yeah, I know. See the sweet potato. It's $1, almost $2 per pounds.
Hindi na tawadan bifish.
All the way. Yeah, just go all the way. Tapos gumatang tawin sabon ang panglaba. We are in the meat section. Over here. No, that is a beef, Mama. Over here. There's a 30% off. Here. Tiyahin ito ng buo. We are in the bangus area. This is bangus. It's $3 per pound. It's not 4 pieces, Mama. I know, let's go find something over here. Let's go see tilapia.
Kaya pa mo to. Magana tayo.
This is what we buy today. Adi alam hinay papati usaron to. Keep going, Papa.
Hindi ay.
Now you know now, Papa. That's how we buy groceries in Canada. Oh yeah, I show you later. Yeah, so that's my mom and dad, and they are visitors in Canada, and I bring them with me to buy groceries and food, so then at least they know and they have some ideas how we go buy groceries in the superstore. So yes, and that's my daddy's first time to come with me in the market. My mom always go with me, so so if you're going to buy a lot of groceries, you have to use the cart. That's why today I have to show my dad how to use and return it back the cart. So something for him to learn. Now you return it back, Papa. You have to use this one. Okay. No, the other one. This one. Grab this one here. And then, yeah. That's perfect. And then you got your $1. That's simple. Hmm. Well, because if they don't put the $1, it ends up like people are using it and they just park everywhere, right? So now $1 is valuable when you go to the market or to buy groceries, because you always need for here. You have, when you get your card, you have to insert here, right over here. Then take it off. Then grab. When you return it back, put it back this one. Take this card. Take this one over here. Push. Then your $1 is coming out. Good. Now it's spark. Now you learned something, Papa?
Yeah.
Do they have that in Philippines?
None.
None?
There's none.
Ma, they might have in the mall.
No.
But I don't know if they use money. I don't know.
No money.
No money, no honey. Well, I'm just teaching them how. So when they go back home, they have something to say, some story for their friends. Yes, so. And always put your seatbelt. My dad always forgot his seatbelt. Right, Mama?
Yeah.
Papa learned something today.
You know how to get that.
He learned. I show him how to put the cart, the $1 to get into the cart to take off. And yeah.
Suppose
Right.
you have no $1.
If you don't have $1, you have the small bag inside the basket.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, only you need the big cart if you know you're going to buy more foods, right? So it's good for your back. It's easy to wheel. Now,
You're going to use the
let's
card.
go now.
You need to buy
So
virus.
we arrived from the grocery and I give this to my mom and dad to wipe their hands. So just to disinfect. So you're doing it, Papa, right?
Yeah.
And then when we arrive home, always wash your hand, your shoes. Have to put it proper place. Wash your hand, your clothes that you wear. Okay?
Yeah.
Follow the rules.
Okay.
Always okay. They're also mommy and daddy because they're 70 years old, so it's okay. Okay, so we just arrived home buying all this stuff from the market. My mom and dad worked so hard. Actually, they helped me so much. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe down below as I'm going to share you more about life in Canada, how to survive in Canada, how to migrate in Canada. So thank you so much and bye-bye. God bless you.